how to manage your email preferences on Canva PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage your email preferences on canva.com in less than 1 minute. All what you have to do is so easy and simple. Go to canva.com, log into your account. Now click here in the top corner on your profile picture and go down, click on account settings. After you click on account settings, now on this page you will find many options. Go right here and click on email preferences, and now as you can see right here, you can manage your email preferences very easy and fast. You can turn off and turn on whatever you want from here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.